These are warm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Our goose is sitting on that nest. Kind of. The eggs are warm right now. That's encouraging. It means she's been on it and she's just taking a break. Right out here. That was my guess. I guessed that she would sit on 13 eggs, but who knows? She may lay more. Heavy, huh? Sorry, buddy. Let's get in the tree. Let's check your udder, girl. Ah, it's nice and soft. We're weaning the calves. I've had to put them out on her twice when her udder was very tight. But she looks fine this morning. You always think you're broody. Miss Broody is sitting on a couple, but I'm just gonna leave her and let them lay. The pigs are looking good, and all things considered, the pasture's actually looking pretty good too.
We're actually heading to Justin and Rebecca Rhodes' house because they are premiering Rooted episode 2 tonight. We're all gonna watch it together. I'm pretty excited to see my friends. Wilder, will you stop for a second? But 2, because I haven't seen any of those ladies in person since we found out we were having twins. If you want to see Rooted, you can sign up in the link below to watch it. 2 babies? 2 babies.
Oh
2
my
babies!
gosh.
There's 4 babies here!
There's 4 babies
here!
There's only 3 moms. I'm so glad that you're the one with the twins. Like Justin and I seriously.
She's already been there, done that.
I'm not aspiring to be a twin mom.
No. I never did either. That wasn't like a goal.
No, it wasn't.
There are people who
have...
really want that.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, that's fine, but I never did. And I got it anyway.
You have older kids though. This will be a blessing. Because
that's what I
was right out the gate.
No, first timer, I can't imagine
That
how
was
sick
hard.
and tired as I've been.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
that was rough.
My goodness.
There's a stud muffin competition between Art and I.
It's over.
I gave it to you, hands down. I ain't even tried. You're the champ.
Art wins.
White flag.
I caught what you were saying. You said there was a stud muffin competition.
Yeah, there was.
Okay.
It's over.
It's over now. No more.
I see the piglets. They're gonna be my favorite.
And they're healthy too.
Howder, come on, come see the piggies. You're fine.
Friends are here.
Look at them.
Gonna give them a tour. They wanted to see the 3 little pigs. Wilder. As if you don't see these all the time.
But not little ones for a long time. Piggies are about my favorite animal. What about you?
Oh yeah, these are really handled.
Look how they just don't even budge. They arch too. They're ready.
Wilder's usually afraid of pigs, but pigs are usually 10 times bigger than him.
When she transferred them over, she gave them a bundle of grapes and threw a packet of ice on them because it was 86. So she's just been real nice to them. It's been good.
That guinea hog we had.
Yeah.
Look at
You were there
that
when we castrated. She was
Yeah.
behind my shoe.
Let's see the biggie piggies.
Yeah.
What do you think that goose is doing?
That's not a goose, that's a duck.
That's not a goose. That's a duck, Justin. That's not a goose. But why is she sitting there?
Eggs in there.
She has eggs in there. You're right. You got it.
You'll come out here in the morning and this will be littered with poop.
Yeah.
They do 50 pounds a day and half of it's going to come at night. But we'll take even what they put in the sacrifice pasture and on the concrete and put it all in here.
Yeah.
Spread out the poop, then put corn on it, and put the wheelbarrow load of wood chips, spread it out on it, and then they're spent hay.
What do you think about that big bowl? He's a lot bigger than our bowl, isn't he?
Yeah.
Wow, look how big he is. He's like twice as big as our bowl. Let's go. You see him? Those were born last night.
What do you think, Wilder? Have you ever held a baby lamb? You can hold it.
Grab it tight. Hold it tight. Whoa, look at that.
Look at you holding that, putting your head on it. Isn't that nice?
You've never seen a baby lamb,
Doesn't that
have
feel
you?
nice?
Tell me what you think. You want to take it home? We can't take it home
So
because
fast.
it's got to nurse. It's got to keep nursing on its mommy, right? That would be nice.
Feels so heartbeat. Yeah.
Do you feel its heart? Wow. You are so sweet.
Should I let him go?
No, one time it was dead. Obviously, you got an acre and a half.
Like this, like. Want to see?
When we were getting our pigs.
That one was born yesterday.
Here you go, buddy.
Hey, Preston, do it looks like
What do you
cute?
think?
Looks like cute?
Looks like cute? It looks like cute. Look at its little feet. Its little feet are so cute.
So look, that's what all this out here is. That's probably going out. And so then the projector will be on that.
So it's gonna be like a hangout spot outdoors.
Yeah.
For events and
Yeah.
other stuff. So we're out here actually to watch episode 2 of Rooted, and it's called Brave.
Yeah.
Who's Brave?
Rebecca. They have this fear, and now the question then becomes, what are you going to do with this fear? Like, are you going to let it cripple you? Then it's bad. But if you take fear as its primal purpose and you examine what's going on and you think through some things, but then you're like, no, we got to go for it, and you push through, that's bravery. And then that's good. You don't shake the fear. There's not like this healing for fear. The healing is pick the fear up, carry it on your back, run, screaming and shouting so you don't hear its taunts. And that's what Rebecca does, like a champion.
Love it. Have you seen it yet?
No.
You haven't seen it?
No, we got it. We got it 20 minutes before I had a call, and I had to jump on the call.
So you're watching
Didn't
it
have time
tonight
to
with
watch
us?
it. Yes, I watched. I
For the
saw
first
the
time.
first 5 minutes. I just had to pull away because it was time to get on the call. Rebecca's seen it, but I'm going to be seeing it with you for the
All right, it's exciting.
But it was so good. First 5 minutes.
You know what's funny is someone commented like, watermelon in March, that can't be a good watermelon. I don't care. It's good enough for me. All I want to eat is watermelon and fruit.
When I was pregnant with Rachel, all I wanted to eat was greens. Any kind of greens.
Really?
But with Rebecca, chocolate pie. I lived that for years.
Show me what a pregnant woman's eating.
I didn't even see your point.
What do you have? What is that?
Watermelon and mashed potatoes. So we're watching this tonight, Monday night, together. But if you want to watch it, it's coming out Wednesday. What time?
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
March
And you-
31st.
March 31st, and you can sign up to watch it in the link below this video. We were watching the Hollers YouTube channel. That's why Ben's on the front of the screen. I think we watched one from each person's channel today.
How is this gonna end? How is this gonna end? He's got little chunkies on his legs. It's so fun.
The most fun thing about this whole deal is how it honestly brought us together in a unique way. This was a totally unique event because we were just chill. We were hanging out watching the show. And we sat around and talked afterwards.
No, I don't like
Yeah, it was fun.
It made it into kind of like a family movie night.
Oh yeah, it kind of did.